parametric geometry of the shelf in Dynamo, and based on the mathematical rules, a combination of sinus and cosinus wave create a harmonic wave, which is used to create the geometry of this parametric shelf. Then the points are calculated in the space, and the geometry we bring the geometry into Revit using adaptive component and assign the location of the points in the space within Revit. So we can come up with a number of various geometry by changing the parameters within our Dynamo graph. And then the geometry is sliced and sent to a CAD file, and we explore a way of cutting each panel out of MDF wood and then assembling them together to create the geometry.